In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find recruiters on LinkedIn. This is a powerful tool to enhance your job search and professional networking. So let's get started. First off, you'll need to open linkedin.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But if you're watching this, chances are you already do. Signing in is simple. Just use your usual email and password for the account. Once you're signed in, you'll notice the search bar prominently located at the top of the LinkedIn homepage. Go ahead and click on that search bar. It's the main gateway to discovering people, jobs, and companies on LinkedIn. Here's a tip. Using specific search terms will yield the best results. In this case, let's enter a company name you might be interested in. For today's demonstration, we'll use Westpac. This works not only for finding recruiters, but also for understanding more about a company and its employees. Once you've typed Westpac into the search bar, you will see a drop-down list of suggestions. Click on the appropriate one, which should redirect you to that company's LinkedIn page. This company page is filled with valuable information about the organization, including company culture, recent news, and most importantly, its employees. The next thing you want to do is locate and click on the View Page button to get more in-depth data. This button should be clearly visible on their page after you search for the company. Clicking on View Page will take you to the company's main LinkedIn profile, where you'll find various tabs like About, Jobs, and so on. The tab we're really interested in is People. Click on the People tab. This section gives you an overview of all the LinkedIn members who are associated with the company. Here you can see where employees studied, past companies they've worked for, and even shared connections. Scroll through and refine your search by using the search bar within this section. You can type in recruiter or talent acquisition to narrow down your hunt specifically to recruiters in that company. Once you've done this, LinkedIn will show you profiles that match your search criteria, listing all recruiters or HR personnel connected to Westpac. From here, you can find potential contacts to connect with, which could be a critical step in your job search process. That's how you can quickly and efficiently find recruiters related to any company on LinkedIn, opening up new networking opportunities and potentially aiding in your professional development. Connecting with these recruiters might just be the stepping stone that leads you to your next career opportunity.